Hey, how's it going, guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the HG Build Divers Momokapool. As always, a huge thank you to US Gundam Store for sponsoring this review, guys. Do check out the link to their site down below. Use that coupon code there, ZakuAurelius10, save 10%, and let's get into this. So this is number 4 in the line, but this is a version of the Kapool, basically. And if you guys don't know, I'm a big fan of Turn A, where the Kapool was featured very prominently. It also appeared in Zeta Gundam and in Gundam Unicorn very briefly as well, but it's a really cool design, and there is an old 1/44 scale kit of that, but I would really love if they would make a newer, nice 1/44 scale HGUC kit of the Kapool. And a lot of people are wondering if maybe because we have this kit that they can use parts of this, maybe, and that means that we'll possibly be getting an HGUC Kapool possibly at some time in the near future. I don't think so, just because based on the design of this, while it is like based on the Kapool basically, I'm not sure really how much of these parts could really be used for the Kapool. Maybe some, but I'm not sure. Once we get it open, we'll find out soon enough just by taking a look at the runners, but I have my doubts about if this could possibly lead to the release of just a regular HGC Kapool. I don't think so, but let's see in here and find out. Anyway, cool box right here. You can see it definitely has this kind of penguin theme, I guess, with the like penguin feet and like a little penguin bill there. And then there's another little kind of extra kind of Momokapool Haro guy kind of thing riding inside there. So that's something. All right, let's just go around and take a look. So here's something I didn't even know about the kit here, is that it actually comes with a bunch of different eye sticker options. So I'm guessing it's got heart eyes, just the regular kind of mono eye, these starry eyes, these angry eyes, and these kind of like laughing eyes. And then it has the hand claws, the belly beam. Looks pretty nicely articulated, and then it can also transform into ball mode there, where it's just all closed up with just the legs sticking out. And then, yeah, there's the Petite Kapool, which is the little guy that rides inside there, which also has a bunch of different options, stickers for the eyes, it looks like, so that's pretty cool. And there's a little advertisement here for some other stuff from the HG Build Divers line. And then on the other side, just a look at what the kit is going to look like, all painted up, just front and back. Yeah, I don't know, maybe this kind of main body, kind of like chassis of the mobile suit there, I guess could possibly be reused. We do also have a little bit of text here in Japanese and English. You can check that out if you want for a little bit of background, a little bit there about the story in general, and then a list price here of 1,800 yen. 1,800 yen seems a little bit high. It's a fairly just kind of normal sized HG box, but it doesn't really feel super full. So I don't know, just like first impression, I would think this is maybe 14 or 1,600 yen maybe, but let's just have a look here and check it out in case. Let's see, we've got white parts there, blue parts, and then a whole bunch of our stickers there, as you can see, and then some more blue parts, gray parts, polycaps, yellow parts, and then the green parts for the little Petite Kapool. One thing that I do like is how they did kind of pay respect to the original Kapool by including both of the original colors, the Turn A colors and the Zeta color versions, the light blue and the light green. So I like how they included both of the different colors of the original kit there for this kit. That's pretty cool. So here in the manual, we've got the box art there at the top. At the bottom, just a little bit about the Momokapool itself, as well as Momoka Yashido. So again, if you want to check out that information there about the mobile suits or the pilot, you can feel free to read that there. On the back, the customized plan here, basically just more details about the kind of capabilities of mobile suit, the hand beam, the hand claw, a little bit more about the belly beam and the Petite Kapool there. Again, more other stuff from the line, and then color guide here at the bottom, all there in Japanese and English. Going on to our parts list here, looks like we've got a couple extra parts that aren't going to be used in this case. Looks like extra kind of links in the arm, basically. Then into the construction, we're building the body first there, which is kind of like the body and the head is kind of all one thing. And then onto the legs and the waist section, as well as the arms. And then back around to the color pages to finish up the mobile suit itself, and then the Petite Kapool we're building here at the end. Once you've built that, you can have it standing just on its own on this little stand there. That's pretty cool. Or you can have it riding along inside of there, which is also pretty neat. And then a little bit of transformation there into the ball mode. Okay, so once again, here is that sticker sheet. So you can see there's the 6 different options for the Petite Kapool. And then for the main body, we have just the one set of normal eyes. And this other one is just the plain black. And you can choose which of these eyes you want to place on there. So that's kind of could be dangerous. You have to kind of place them right even on that black part there. So it kind of would have been nice if we would have had individual stickers there, but because of the large size of that black one there, I can see why they didn't give us 6 of those. PC002 for our standard gray polycaps here. Here we got runner A1, which is in that nice light blue color. It's definitely a nice color, I think, for that. And then we have runner A2, which is a copy of this section here. Now, what is interesting is the runner marking on this. It doesn't say HG 144 scale Kapool or even HG 144 scale Momokapool. It says Kapurana. So this is the, I guess, Kapool runner. Or I don't know if in the series, if this is like a running mobile suit or if that's a referral to this being a runner, like an actual like model kit runner. But that's an interesting title. One thing about this too is that this does look like possibly it could be segmented in a way that it is going to be used for an actual regular Kapool kit. Now it looks like this section here can all be separated. Basically, the runner can be separated right here, or these parts will be separated. And these parts, I think, wouldn't be able to be used for the regular Kapool. These don't look like they would match. All of these rest of these other parts, though, do look like they could be used for the regular Kapool. So it looks like we possibly might get an actual HGUC Kapool. Runner B1 here is in this nice kind of light brownish gray color, obviously for joint parts and things like that. And this runner as well, just by how segmented it is, we have this segment here, the main segment here in the center, and then this segment here off to the side. Just by how segmented these runners are, they don't really do that for one-off kits. They do that for kits that they know they're going to be reusing or making different variants of. So either we'll have some sort of variant of the Momokapool, or yeah, this is definitely looking like we might actually be getting like a regular HGC Kapool, so that's pretty awesome. And we do also have runner B2 here, which is a copy of this section there. Here we have runner C1, which is in this really bright yellow color, and this is going to be obviously the parts for like the fingers and the feet, the eyes. And one thing that's really cool is that the eyes are actually a color separated piece, so that's cool. And then the little penguin beak on the front, I really expected that to be a sticker, so that's nice that that's a separate part. And this runner is actually marked specifically for this kit, as we have the name here, just Momokapool, so this one will be specific to this kit only. The C2, on the other hand, here in white is just back to the Kapurana marking here for this. So this back part I think would be able to be used, but this front part I don't know, because it has a little bit there for like the penguin beak. Don't think that would really be able to be used. That would definitely be a different part for the regular Kapool kit. Runner D1 here in this really nice kind of pale green color is obviously the parts for the Petite Kapool, and the runner marking reflects it as such, as it just says Puchi Kapool there. In Japanese they use Puchi instead of Petite in English, so there you go. And finally, runner D2 is back to that light blue color for some more parts here for the arms. This one as well, Kapool Rana, I'm sure looks like this might actually be able to be used for the regular Kapool again here as well. So that is it for the unboxing. Well, we do have 5 different colors of parts in this kit, and everything does look pretty nice. I do have to say 1,800 yen does still seem like a little bit high for just the amount of plastic that you're getting in the box. It does seem relatively simple, but that said, it does look really nice for sure. So let's get this built up and then we'll check it out in the review. So I gotta say, also, I'm very pleasantly surprised that it looks like we might actually be getting a regular Kapool too. That was one of the main reasons why I really wanted to check this out. This design is cool enough and it'll be fun. I think I'll have fun painting this in the future and just kind of making something cool out of it. But I really, really love just the original Kapool, so I'm really looking forward to that. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you do have any other further questions, as always, leave those down below, and I'll see you in the review. Bye-bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store, use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10, save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.